who are influenced by it, who also play a role one way or the other, directly or indirectly. And the character of GFAR and its stakeholders is obviously evolving very rapidly. It's not something which is carved in concrete. And then GFAR Secretariat is basically to play a role in facilitating this very complex process. I have often said I think all of us have a tiger by the tail. And the question is, how are we going to manage this tiger of GFAR? So just to remind ourselves of what it is. Another thing I wanted to just mention was to remind ourselves of what agriculture is. And in a way, it's very much like what happened with GFAR. I think people have a different perception of what agriculture is. And again, it's very inclusive. It includes a lot of things which were discussed here. And even my listing of things may not be complete, but I just wanted us to recognize and remember that when we talk about agriculture, it has many, many dimensions. I think one issue that came up again and again is this need to take an integrated view at the farmer level, because farmers, especially women farmers, are dealing with everything. They're dealing with soils and water and fuel wood and food production and non-food activities, etc. But also as a researcher, I think I realized that there is a huge challenge which is going to have to be dealt with in the future of how do we have an integrated view at the farming systems level, and there's a long history of research on farming systems, as distinct from the specialized research that is often needed, for instance, on plant breeding, on various other things, that has to be done by people who are highly specialized in certain things. And again, the challenge is to, use that specialized knowledge, at the same time have a view of the farmer at the center stage. Again,